State your name.
Oh, that's cold.
Okay. State your name.
My tie.
No, it's ooh, that's hot.
Oh, that's hot.
Okay. Favorite ice cream flavor?
I don't like ice cream.
Favorite candy? Hot tamales?
No, that's too hot. Cocoa Puffs.
What? Okay. Favorite hair product must have. Must have hair product.
What do you mean?
Must have hair product. What's a hair product you can't go without a day with?
Shampoo?
Wrong.
Most. A hairbrush?
No, that's not your question. Don't answer
Oh.
your wrong question. Your question is favorite color.
Purple. And gold. And green.
Wrong again. You guys are very good at this interview.
But it's an interview about
Nope.
us. There's no wrong answer.
Favorite place to go.
But that's on my mind when I listen to music.
Almost. Good answer. That was a good answer right there.
I didn't get a question.
You answered it right already
No.
before I even asked. Well, thank you for the interview.
Bye.
What's your name again?
Bye.
And your name?
Hello. Adios. And hola, I mean,
Bonjour.
never to tray.
Bonjour.
Never to tray.
Okay, wait.